In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart in Miro. Creating a Gantt chart in Miro is a straightforward process that allows you to visually organize and plan your projects effectively. Follow along as we go through each step to make your project management a breeze. To begin, open your Miro board. If you don't already have one set up, you can create a new board from your dashboard. Miro is great because it offers a cloud-based platform that's accessible from anywhere, giving you the freedom to manage your projects on the go. After you have your board in front of you, look towards the left side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical toolbar. This is where you'll find a variety of tools and options to enhance your board. Next, click on the templates icon located in this left toolbar. Miro's extensive template library is a fantastic resource, full of creative and functional designs ready for you to integrate into your board. Once you click the icon, a window will pop up displaying a wide array of templates. It may feel a bit overwhelming due to the sheer number of options available, but don't worry, there's a search bar here to help narrow things down. In the search bar, type Gantt chart. This will filter the templates, making it easier to find what you need. Gantt charts are an excellent way to visualize your project timelines and tasks, helping you and your team stay on track. Whether you're coordinating a small project or managing a large-scale operation, having a Gantt chart will provide clarity and direction. Now, look through the results and choose a Gantt chart template that suits your needs and aesthetics. Miro offers a variety of styles and setups, so you're bound to find one that fits your project perfectly. Once you've decided on the template you like, simply click Use. This action will place your chosen Gantt chart template onto your current board. The last step is customization, which is where you can really make the Gantt chart your own. Start by clicking on the elements within the template to edit them, change colors, adjust the size of bars, or update text. Whatever you need to tailor it to your specific project. Personalizing your chart will not only make it more relevant to your tasks, but will also make it more engaging for anyone you share it with. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can create a professional-looking Gantt chart in Miro in just a matter of minutes. Feel free to explore additional options within Miro to enhance your chart further, such as adding sticky notes for extra details or embedding links to other resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in organizing your next project with a Gantt chart in Miro.